Hey everybody, how's everybody doing tonight? Asia's about to open. We are trading probably just an eval tonight here, one of the Lucids. Took a payout today on the 9002 account. Here was the requested payout for that. It is no longer pending. It is on its way. Lucid's wicked fast with its payouts and is slowly becoming my favorite prop firm. Alright. Make sure we get the right account set up here. Gold up right now. The Nasdaq up. Make sure we keep our eye on oil. Oil is absolutely ripping here. Oof. Oof. Gold's dumping. I'm wanting this gold to drag down this Nasdaq here. That's why I keep taking more. A couple more out there. Gold is in free fall. Nasdaq's bouncing into these negative MACDs. Should definitely see a reversion back down to, say, the 350 level here. That's good, Mr. Elite. It's gonna keep you focused. Gonna let the money do the talking tonight. Oil almost at $91. What do you mean, am I up? Can you not see my screen? Oh, okay, you just like the sound of my voice. You're not really a trader. I gotcha. That's alright. Just lay back and relax. Yeah, 988.90 is what we're up P&L. Okay, gold's climbing back up here. Penny Lynch, welcome. Silver's climbing up. What's oil doing? Oil does not look like it wants to come down at all. Gold's establishing above this 21 EMA. Got a little quiet here all of a sudden. Might have to wait till 9 o'clock till Tokyo volume kicks in. Gold setting up for a bit of a short actually on the higher time frames. On the 15-minute, we have a negative MACD. They're buying up into it. Gonna let it climb a little higher. Look for a short somewhere around VWAP and the 200 EMA. And on the Nasdaq, if we look here, we're doing the same kind of thing. On the 5-minute here, we're rising into the negative MACDs. Gonna let that get a little bit more overbought. Should be good for another short. 30-minute looks very bearish. Hey, we're gonna fill this candle here from last night. Gonna look for a short in gold somewhere in this area here. Gonna take one there. like we're setting up for a little 3-bar here on gold, but I'm still going to hold this short, looking to get in more on the way up. Nasdaq still looking really heavy. I'm gonna take that off. Gold right there. That's good for about $100. Still hoping it gets back up into this area here, but it might not. We might flush down hard. See how we're doing for performance on this. So we're up 1,000 on this eval. 55 trades, 18 losing trades, 37 winning, 67% win rate. It's decent. $430 to go on this account. Okay, Shanghai about to open up here, so we're gonna get a little bit of violence. See what happens. Another minute and a half. Damn it, gold went down. What we wanted, but would have liked that price a little higher. Okay, we're gonna take a couple more short here of gold. Oh, just got in as it wicked down. Crappy fill. See if we can still... I wanted the top of that wick, not the bottom of that candle. Yeah. And grab another one there. And we're out. That was a horrible trade. Horrible trade right there. As I clicked in, we wick and flipped. Oh well. On to the next. Nasdaq's fallen. Violent. Hey, oil's ripping. Gonna take a couple short Nasdaq here. Third one on this oil. Oil's ripping here. Seeing if Nasdaq can come down and touch these lows here. Gonna take a couple more. Got 5 short Nasdaq right now. Yeah, there goes the gold dump. Timing was bad on that trade. Thought process was good. We're probably going to take out the lows. Rejecting the 21 EMA here. Okay, we're out of one of the MNQs. Oil's still ripping. Well, NQ doesn't seem to want to go down with this oil rip. Gonna take a couple more Nasdaq short. Oil does not look like it's gonna turn around here anytime soon. We're ripping. Come on, Nasdaq. I think we're going to get another one of those wick downs. Put some orders out in case we get one of those big dumps. There we go. A little bit of selling there. Come on. We're holding it. seem to want to get it back above this 24,300 level. I'm going to take one out there. Get another one out there. Another one out there. Come on. Okay, take another one there. We got 2 left. Got our money back from that gold loss. Let's see here. This gold is kind of flagging a little bit. Oh, oil spiking. We'll take a couple more short again. This NQ. Oil here is absolutely ripping. 91.50 almost. We should expect another dump, at least one more dump in the Nasdaq. No, Nasdaq just not. Seems to want to hold that 24,300 level. See what happens here. Cut this quick if we start to rip towards the 21 EMA. This also could be a shakeout. Shake out the shorts. Gonna get a wick and flip. Gold heading towards the lows. I'm going to take a short in gold. Looking for a quick dump below this previous low. Put our order just below there. Try to take 20 bucks on that. $20 on the gold. Got to be careful because the ATR, the average true range, is pretty high here on gold. So, if it wicks against us there, it's 1 micro, $5 move is 50 bucks. Goes quick. Come on, gold. Just reach for it. Get down to that 4,300 level. Nasdaq's not cooperating. Still think this is a bull trap here. We're gonna come up and touch this 21 EMA and revert. It might squeeze me out. Alright, I'm getting out of that Nasdaq, but I'm gonna look to get back in. We wick above this 21 EMA. Put a few orders here. There we go, gold. Come on now. Gonna put a stop in on the gold just above this previous candle's high. Get wicked out, we get wicked out. Okay, gold took us out. No bueno. So they'll get some divergence there as that oil ripped. It's the market didn't believe it anymore. We might be starting to get a turnaround in oil, and if that's the case with this divergence. Alright, here comes the Nasdaq. Coming up to this 24,300 level. See if it puts us back into a trade. gold. I'm gonna sell that there. I'm gonna put a stop just above this high here. Hoping it's gonna bump its head, come back down, test the lows. Take 2 short there on Nasdaq. Gold's breaking through this little bear flag trend line. I'm expecting this to be a bull trap. All these guys who got long here. There we go. I'm going to take another short gold. I'm liking that. Take another one. This should stretch down. This should have caught some bulls here. Gonna have to reverse their positions. I will take one off there. 2 left. I would like the lows. Come on, gold. And for some reason right now, Nasdaq's following oil. Oil's dumping. Okay. Getting some odd confluences. Everything's dumping together. And Nasdaq again. It's pissing me off. Where are you going? You know you want to go down. One good hard dump at gold here. This account will be passed. Okay, there's a nice one. Okay, we'll get out of that. We'll hold one. Gonna hold one gold short for a big dump. I don't like that these candles keep getting wicked out on. Get some continuation. Okay, there we go. There we go. Put our buy limit down here just above $25, $43.25. Come on, a little more. There we go. Reach, reach, reach. Okay, we'll take that out there. Okay, let's see where this goes. Let's go on the 15-minute chart. Okay, we've got this 15-minute FVG to fill. That'll take us down to 42.85. Let's flip to the 5-minute. Okay. Just gonna mark out this full fair value gap. Oh, gotta take... Keep our eyes on Nasdaq as we're doing this. So that's our big gap in gold from this morning. Starting to get into it. The 1 minute. Chart. Okay. Come back here. Take a look this morning. It's actually even lower on the 1 minute. Nasdaq, we're getting a bit of selling. Okay. We might move very quickly through this area here. So let's see what happens. I'm going to look probably for another short if gold starts to pull its head back up here to the 21 and to our little trend line here. Let's just adjust this. Okay. So we're going to be looking a short here. Put one sell there. Okay. NQ, we're starting to get our continuation here. I'd like to see a pretty heavy drop. We're going to take one off there. We only have one left. Suck our wrist down to this. Let's see. Probably going to get a little bounce at this 50 area, so look to get out there. Moderators, can you please remove Alex Leet from the chat? Moderators, can you please remove Alex Leet from the chat? Okay, I'm gonna get out there. We broke the little low and there was a whole bunch of limit buyers there, so we're gonna spike up. Give a spike, probably come back down, so we're gonna look to get back in there. Gold's coming up to our level that we were gonna get interested in. Let's see what happens here. I'm gonna take a short there. Probably gonna get filled on that other one. Zoom in a bit here. Oh, it's a little too much. Okay. I'm thinking we're gonna do a lot of this bump the head, go down, bump the head, go down on gold. This little grind and a dump. Also got to keep an eye on our P&L because we don't want to go above 1,500 on this account. So we're at 1,330. Don't want to take any huge positions neither because we're almost past the account. Okay, we got filled the second one in gold. Take a third one there. Have to be very careful here. Don't want to get caught in a big rip. That's a pretty aggressive buy. Gonna look to get out a break even on this. Two of them and hold one. One down here. Coming close to the bottom of the hour. Usually get a little reversion at 9:30. from wherever we're going. I'm going to hedge this position by taking a couple long and MNQ. I'll take 3. I'm going to take 3 long MNQ. Yeah, gold, we're going to have to get out. Have to get out. That was a little too much heat there. That needed to turn down quickly. This is actually telling me that we may start to climb. Okay, we're holding above this trend line, holding above the 21. Might get a little retest here. We retest and stay above, we're gonna have to start looking for longs. Okay, I'm gonna take 2 long gold. If this is a bull trap, we're gonna get hurt pretty bad on this one. And if it's a continuation, we'll do well. Gonna look for a 1-to-1 risk. There we go. Now Nasdaq's working out a bit. Okay, so we're long 3 Nasdaq, 2 gold. Okay, we'll take 1 gold off there. Take 1 Nasdaq off there. This is one of those situations where you can't be scared to flip positions quickly. So we were short as we were in the downtrend. As soon as we flipped trend, we had to get out, take our loss, cut our loss, don't look back, and reverse the position if it's telling you to go the other way. The only thing is, we did on the break candle, on the next candle after the break candle here, we did retest the trend line. On the second one, we retest the 21 EMA. We may get another retest down to about 350, so we might have to take some heat on it. So technically our stop loss needs to go down here. Would like to just get a straight rip out of this. MNQ setting up for a 3-bar. We're above this 21 EMA nicely. If we extend our trend line here, we're above that. So right now, things are pointing up. The only thing is oil. Take another MNQ long. We have 3. Try to get one out here. Look to try to come up and fill this little fair value gap here. It might be a slower grind. Okay, that's nice. 1 on gold. We'll sell that. We're out of our gold position. Reversed our loss, our last loss we had on it. Got $150 to go to close out this account. Took another Nasdaq long here. Another one. We got 5 long. I'm hoping that this is just a retest of the trend line and the 21 EMA. We're gonna get a wicked flip green here. Okay, I like that. I like that little spit out wick. Going back up. Next candle's gonna tell us a lot. This next candle's got to break the highs of these previous 2 candles here. That's what I want to see. If this fails above and closes below the 21, we're out of that trade. The only thing right now is oil's still chopping at the highs. Okay, gold's coming down to test this trend line. It may want to make a new low. Very weak here on gold. Very weak on the Nasdaq. Okay, this is the candle I want to see. I want to see us break this high, though. If we don't break this high on this candle, we're going to probably look to just get out of the trade. Okay, there we go. Put some sells in here. There we go. Alright, we're getting close to our $1,500 closeout in this account. I'm gonna sell one there. Got 4 left, MNQ. Okay, oil's turning down a bit. Oil and gold oil and the Nasdaq right now are kind of trading in tandem, which is odd. Now this I don't like. It was nice we took out the high of these wicks. I don't want to see a retest of the 21 here. I want this just to go. Oil's spiking. Okay, I'm getting out of this trade. Just due to oil's chomping at the highs, and it looks like it's going to bust through hard. Okay, that was a good decision. Coming down. I didn't like this candle here neither. So this structure is telling me we're going to at least come back down below this 21 EMA. Possibly retest this trend line once again. What are we sitting at? 13. We need 111 bucks. But I don't care if we pass this account tomorrow. It doesn't matter if we pass it tonight, but it's always nice to do it in one go. Okay, that was a good decision to get out. I still may take a long here, because oil, I'll put oil up, oil just popped through the highs, and there was a whole bunch of limit sellers there that took it back down. Let's see what oil does here. It's getting a little messy with trend lines, but I tend to do that. Looks like we're starting a little channel here. Yeah. We're gonna bounce off of this and head back up. See what this next candle does. Gold trying to break out of this little trend line. Okay, I'm gonna take one long here on gold. See if we can get a little breakout of this trend line. Looking for this little gap fill up here, right around 43.81. Okay, it's looking like we're rejecting. I'm not liking that structure. We're out. See what's next. Nasdaq breaking down. I'll take 2, 3. Take another one. We've poked at these lows twice now. The structure is looking like we have a good chance to break through them. Put a buy right there and another one just above 50. Let's get a good stretch here. Come on. So that gold rejection structure, definitely looking bearish. Gold pops up here. We're going to put a little sell limit order right there. In case it wants to give us a little wick and flip. Get rid of this trend line here. Okay, gold, I'm going to take this for a little break of this structure. See if we can get below this low. I want it to go immediately, though. time is at 9:40. About 20 minutes left here before things quiet down for the night. Out of the gold. Out of one MNQ. And we're done. There we go. We got our $1,530. That account is passed. Flip to the next account. Before you do that, make sure you have no trades left. Exit all positions, cancel all. 24. Okay. Alright, let's see if we can bust the lows here. MNQ's coming into this little trend line. I think we're gonna break though. You know what's beautiful about Lucid is when you pass an account like that, it's immediate. You know, log into your dashboard, turn it into funded, start trading it immediately. It's beautiful. Really liking Lucid. TPT is great, Alpha's great, Tradeify's great, but I don't know, Lucid at the moment, outside of daily payouts, it's my favorite prop by far. Gold, I'm going to take a couple short here, looking to get into this fair value gap that we left from this morning. This can start to fall pretty fast. I want to see some speed here, especially as we come into this 10 o'clock time frame. There we go. And I'll take one off there. Let's hold one. Nasdaq might start speeding up to the downside here. Still respecting this trend line. Oil's going up. Almost at $92 on oil. Gold will take that. 113, 110 bucks. It's all right. Now Nasdaq here left a little gap on the 1 minute. Show you that quickly. Right here. We haven't left one all night. The question is, are we going to fill that right away or not? It's a pretty sizable gap. Well, because of that, I'd be leaning a little bit more towards the upside just in the near term. Doesn't mean we don't have to fill that right away, but we typically do. I'm gonna take a couple long there on Nasdaq. Okay, gold's starting to speed up here. Speeding up through this zone. Oof. Now the reason I took this Nasdaq long, well, it was based off of us wicking through this trend line. You had some limit buyers right away, but it's also from that gap that I showed you from earlier. Just for a quick near-term scalp. Okay, I'll take one off there. Yeah, gold's turning here. Oil's still going up. Almost bumping our heads in that 92 level. Okay, there we go. Get out of that MNQ. That was a good little trade. Still haven't filled the gap yet. The gap would take us up to about 64, 65. Well, basically at the top of this fair value gap, so. We reject before filling it. Oh, there it is. Just got filled. Just got filled. Oil's falling. Oil just fell pretty hard. I'm gonna take a long on gold here. And we'll get out of that there. Quick little 30 bucks on gold. Alright, looks like that's it for me for tonight. Just give you guys a little, let's take a look at the performance here. So on our past account, total P&Ls 1480, 90 trades. Average trade time was 2 minutes and 47 seconds. I'm surprised it was that long. Win rate 69%, 62 winning trades and 28 losing trades. Alright, we'll be back tomorrow. Take care.